Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn standard for English grammar. Today we are going to start revision of lesson number 14, future tense. Let's see. The future tense is used to talk about action that are expected to take place in the future. So we use the future tense to talk about an action that will happen in the future. Means yet to happen. Okay? Like for example, I will go to school, my mom will cook sabji for me. Here we have some example that I will visit Sikkim next summer. Sakira will return your pencil box in the evening. So you can see returning is an action word. So we will add the word will before the action word. Like will go, will come, will cook, will visit, will return. Okay, will means it is going to happen. Okay, so in future tense we will use the word will or shall before the verb, and verb comes in its first form. So how do we form future tense sentence? Subject plus will or shall plus v1. V1 means base form of verb, root form of verb. Okay, so we use it to speak about the future. While making a sentence we should use will. Okay, let's see the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the future tense forms of the given verbs. Now first one, Saurav days into the bracket become a pilot soon. So how do we form future tense sentence? Subject plus will or shall plus v1, that means base form of verb. So what will come? Saurav will become remain as it is because it is the root form of verb. Saurav will become a pilot soon. Second one, I days into the bracket clean my room on Sunday. So how we form it with in future tense sentence? I will, root form of verb, clean my room on Sunday. Okay, now the next, the table days into the bracket break if you sit on it. The table will break, root form of verb, if you sit on it. Now fourth one, Sina days into the bracket show you the album later. So how will come? Sheena will, root form of verb, show you the album later. Sheena will show you the album later. Now the next, they days into the bracket win the match as they have practiced very hard. So what will come? They will win the match as they have practiced very hard. They will win the match as they have practiced very hard. Now sixth one, we days into the bracket go on a trip to Kerala this October. So we will go on a trip to Kerala this October. Now 7. Rohit days participate in the next sports meet. So what will come? Rohit will participate, root form of verb, participate in the next sports meet. So while making a sentence of future tense, we should use will. Will means it is going to happen. Okay. Now 8th one. A son dash into the bracket be a cricketer when he grows up. So Harshan will be a cricketer when he grows up. Okay. So now with this we come to the end of this lesson. End of this video. So you have to write this exercise A in your rub book you have to write again in your rub book as a homework. Okay. Thank you.